Hi, I'm Eva from Jobber. Let's talk about using optional line items on quotes. If you offer a variety of services or packages, quoting can take time. Optional line items give the customer options of which services they want, making sure quotes are approved faster. Let's say we're creating a quote for some customer who wants lawn care services. They have specified that they want a weekly mow, but they want other services as well. When creating the quote, add a line item for weekly lawn mowing the way you normally would, as that service will definitely need to be on the quote. Any other mandatory line items would be added using the regular Add Line Item button. Then, for optional services, choose Add Optional Line Item. From here, select the additional services like spring cleanup or fertilizer treatment. There is an option to recommend a service under each line item. If you choose to recommend the service, it will automatically be checked on in the quote, and the customer would have to uncheck the box. Let's take a look at what your customer will see. They get the quote in their email and click Review. The line items that were not optional show, and then the optional line items have checkboxes next to them. The client can check or uncheck these boxes and see how the price is affected as well. Once the quote is approved, it can be converted into a job. All the line items that were included by the customer will carry over to the job. When adding optional line items to quotes, make sure the descriptions of the line items are clear. This makes sure the customer understands the line item, but can also highlight the value of the service, making for a better sale. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, check out our Help Center